Hey there, how's it going? Let's look at these directions. They want us to decompose. They want us to find f and g such that f composition g is equal to h. Given, and they give me the function h of x. Now, let me sidetrack you a moment. We need to understand what this means. Actually, we need to understand what f composition g means. And let's just say of x, right? Because that's a variable we're using over here, so we'll put it of x over here. We need to remember what this notation actually says. This notation says take the first function, which is called f, and substitute into it the second function, which in this case is g. So this notation tells me to plug g into f. That's what that notation means. So, understanding this, that we're plugging g into f, which means g is inside of f, let's look over here. Which function is actually inside this function on the right-hand side? What one looks like it's inside the other? Yeah, in the parentheses looks like inside is 2x plus 3. So I am going to, don't write, just watch. I am going to start assuming then my inside function, my g of x, I am assuming it's going to be 2x plus 3. That's what I'm going to assume, because it's inside. Then if that's what's inside, what's outside? The power of 4, right? Because this thing was raised to the power of 4, which means the outside function f is to the power of 4. So here's the thing. Generally speaking, we're going to call it x because we're dealing with the variable x. So generally speaking, f of x is going to be something to the power of 4. G of x is going to be 2x plus 3, what we assume to be the inside function. Got it? Okay. Let's see if we are on the right track. Don't write, just watch. I'm going to do some checking here. If I take f composition g of x, by definition, that means I'm going to take the function f and I'm going to plug into it the function g. Now, what was the function g of x? What did we say? 2x plus 3? So I'm going to take f and I'm going to plug into it the 2x plus 3. Now, what was the function f? X to the power of 4, which means I'm going to take this 2x plus 3 and I'm going to substitute it into this x, which means the 2x plus 3 becomes the generic x, and I'm going to raise it to the power of 4 according to what the f function says. Aha! I got the same thing back again. Woohoo! Which means this is my f function, this is my g function. It all boils down to understanding what f composition g actually means. It means you're taking the first function and you're plugging into the first function the second function. The second function is inside the first one. The 2x plus 3 was inside. How do I know? Because it was in parentheses. That was inside a fourth power function. Good? Makes sense? Okay, let's see how you do with I think I have 3 examples coming your way. Let's see how you do with those. Work on them before you find my answer key video. All right? Rewatch this one if needed. And have fun. Catch you on the flip side.